In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get the mouse in War Thunder. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The mouse is one of the heaviest tanks available in the game, and it is going to be under the rank 5 German army. So you will be able to unlock it by researching it as long as you have rank 5 unlocked. Now, something that I need to make very clear is that this tank is not always available, so it is periodically available, usually during the anniversary of War Thunder. Sadly, I don't believe it is available during the time that I'm recording this video, but I'm still going to talk about the requirements, so you have time to work on these requirements for when it comes back. So all that you have to do, like I mentioned, is to have rank 5 unlocked for research. As long as you have rank 5 unlocked with Germany, you will be able to find it for research available. So as you can see in here on this screenshot, it is available under the premium vehicles for rank 5. Then all that you have to do is start the research. Usually they will give you a week or a certain period of time to start the research, but don't worry, you don't need to rush the research and finish it within that time limit. You just have to make sure that you start the research. And as long as you start the research during the time limit, it is going to be available for you to finish whenever you want. So make sure that you have rank 5 available. You don't need a vehicle from rank 5, you only need to be able to research rank 5, and once it becomes available, it is going to be available under the premium vehicles for you to start the research. It is going to pop up here under the German tanks, and you will be able to start putting RP into it. If you put any research into it during that time period, like I mentioned, you can finish it whenever you want, even after it goes away from the research availability. I hope I was able to help you on how to get the mouse in War Thunder. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.